Hello folks, we're looking once again at using Excel to do a lot of the work for us. We've got two data sets here, and this corresponds to another example out of our book where a study was done linking or wanting to see if there was a link between the quality of marriage and the quality of parent-child relationships. And so we have 30 data points for two different groups. We've got them all entered. The larger your data set, the more careful you need to be that your data is entered correctly. And I must have been groggy, but I made a couple mistakes while I was entering this. So we had to double check, make sure that it was okay. So what we're going to do, same thing that we did before, looking at the data tab, and of course making sure that we have the proper add-ins checked. We want to go over to data analysis, and we have a number of tests that are available. We can actually choose correlation. So let me do that again because I kind of went quickly. Choose correlation, hit OK. I just double clicked it real quick. And we want to choose our data range. Once again, we have a couple of labels over here chosen. So we want to highlight, if we want to include those labels, we want to highlight that area, draw a box around all the data. I can choose then, same things before, labels in first row so that we can then see which column is which and how they line up. So that's the language to show that we're choosing all of that. Output range, want to make sure this is highlighted, and I can put the data wherever we want it to go. Got a box highlighted there, and there you are. So what we see here, so they actually do correlations for each column. That's what those ones stand for. It's a 1-to-1 in each, and then between the two here, that 0.437352, it's carrying a couple more decimals than the example in the book, but it corresponds to the example in the book where it says it's 0.437. So follow along the steps in the book. There's a chart in the back and the appendices giving you some critical values with some degrees of freedom. And in this case, what we see is that there is enough of a relationship here to show that it's due to more than just chance. So you'll use this to do the correlation for your homework this week. And if you have any questions, get a hold of me. Thanks. Bye-bye.